So now we are going to see about how to make Spintly device online. So you just plug in the power adapter. The device will get on. It will give the red light. So here you can able to see one reset button is there. So take like this some kind of pin and then put it inside just for 5 seconds. So after that the device will get restart. And then that will get into the AP mode. So once when the device is get into the AP mode, the power button will blink in the red color. So we have to wait for it. So now you can see the power light is blinking. So the device went into the AP mode. So after resetting the device, you just connect your Wi-Fi, mobile Wi-Fi to Spintly Gateway. So its password is Spintly hash $321, and then go to Chrome, type gateway 192.168.1.1. So after that it will went into the gateway page. So it will show the available networks. You can select the available network whichever you want, select that and type the password and click on apply and restart the gateway. To press OK to restart the gateway. Give OK. So once Wi-Fi is connected, you will get the 3 blue lights blinking on the gateway.